Today I'm going to be showing you how I've created this look for my Instagram at hearteyes.com at hearteyes at Instagram. Feel free to go show me some love on my Instagram. So my first step was to conceal. I used my Essence Camouflage Concealer and I pretty much put it all over my face. Next I use these are my Australis lightening drops, so it's pretty much just white foundation. I wanted to do the cool Instagram dropping thing, but I made a bit of a mess. Then I bronzed with my Australis contouring palette. I used this colour to bronze and this colour to contour. Then I used this Model Zone highlighter in Peach Pearl. So first I sprayed my brush with my mini All Nighter setting spray and then went into my highlighter. I used my Total Temptation Brow Definer by Maybelline to fill in my brows. For today's look, I used the Australis Kaleidoscope palette. I just love the variety of colours in this palette. I used the red and I put some on my nose to create the clown nose. I went in with the red as well into my crease and under the eye. Then with a packing brush, I went in with the black and put it all over the lid and blended them together with a smaller brush. And I went back and forth between the red and the black. Then using the Australis drops and a small concealer brush, I created this white inner corner and then blended it in with some more black here. And I used my NYX black eyeliner and created these triangles, and the shade Fire to create the dots. And I went off camera and did my other eye. I also lost the footage where I did my lips, but all I did was I used the black and a little brush to outline the shape, and then I used a red lipstick in the middle and I blended them together to create an ombre look. Also used the NYX white eyeliner to colour my bottom lashes white. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you next time.